Howdy, dear friends of Zarana DIY. Hope you're doing so well. Today we are going to make a very elegant bag that is made with sugar beads and some other round beads. As you see, all of them are crystalline and the plates are crystalline too. In order to start, you need at least 3 meters of fishing line. Number 50 is very good. Put one bead in the back of one of the holes. There is no matter which one. This one is the starting point of your job. And with the outer line, you need one bead, and with the other one that is in the side of your circle, you move through the hole of the other bead and make it as a cross. For the other ones, up to the end of your bag, you need one bead in the right line, one bead in the left line, and one is cross up to the end of this plate. This is the rule, and there is no other function that I should explain to you. But here, as you see, the line that is next to the plate itself should go through one of the holes. Under that there is one bead, and then it moves through the bead that was cross, and here we continue the 4 flowers of sugar bead, and this is the rule for the whole job of you. One important point that you should keep in your mind is that these transparent plates are very delicate. Therefore, you shouldn't peel off all the parts at once, and as you see, you should peel it little by little, and also don't peel it off in the whole parts. You should peel it off at the end, not in the process of making, because it is very delicate. Whenever your line finishes, you should give it 2 knots and don't cut it at all. Go through the crystalline beads as much as possible. Please don't cut your lines, and it gives your bag a very good view at the end because it stays very well. Go through the one that is in front of your 4 flower, and also in the left hand you need one bead, in the right hand you need one bead, and one is cross between the 2 lines, and you should continue the whole process just like this. Some people don't like to complete it around your crystalline plate, but I myself really like to complete my crystalline to the whole parts, and it is very much beautiful when you complete it. Some people don't go through those holes that they don't need, and they leave it, and I think that the beauty of these beady bags is that you complete the whole parts of holes and give it a very nice view. This beadwork is frequently used as a bride's bag, but I myself recommend you to use it in a different way. For example, you can make a very nice vase for yourself and put flowers in it, and use it as a decorative element in your home. And also you can use a mirror and put mirror in the middle of this circle, and also make it complete, and use it as a frame of a very nice mirror. Put it in your home and use your own handmade crafts as a very nice element in your home. And here is what I suggest to you. You can ask me any question if you have any, and I'll answer you. Hope you make it and enjoy using this nice bag. You can make it with different colors and shapes of crystalline or plastic plates, and enjoy your handcrafts in your daily use. There is also one other tutorial on these plates available in the channel that is made with polycolor polymeric beads, and it is a very nice idea to make such crystalline bags and make it with colorful crystals, and it gives you a very nice shine. Also, it is very nice for daily use. You can watch it in the channel. Bye.